My name is Samantha Horsch, and I am currently a software engineer at Target with a background in radio broadcasting and visual design. I was running into a lot of issues with the different jobs I wanted to apply for. They were actually design jobs, but they wanted coding experience. It kind of pushed me to the point, it's like, well, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't have that experience. Just by random chance, a friend reached out to me and he told me about, hey, you should go into coding because, well, a reason you get paid better than if I just did design. It really pushed me saying, okay, maybe I do need to go into the tech background. I think the first project we did was an error page. I just fell in love with it there because I'm like, oh, cool, I built something and I'm seeing it function. I really liked the apiary. It gave me a lot of industry knowledge, and I know a lot more than my employers think I do. They get surprised every day. I believe the apiary prepares you to go into the real world. If anyone goes into coding, I really suggest doing something like that. It's kind of like an externship. It's a real world experience. They helped me fine-tune my resume. They helped teach me how to network with people on LinkedIn and how that was it was honestly a big part of how I got my job. So recently I was hired onto Target as a software engineer, part of their EEP program, which stands for Emerging Engineer Program. It's for people kind of like me. We have untraditional backgrounds. So I'll be in this program for, I believe, a year. Then I'll be like officially on a team in a year from now. It's really amazing that I now landed a job that I can have a title of software engineer, because I really didn't picture myself in this position. Sometimes I do stumble into imposter syndrome because it's kind of like, how did I get here? I don't have a bachelor's in software engineering, yet I am a software engineer. So that is something I have to combat quite often. And my job definitely does a good job of acknowledging it and saying, hey, you were hired for a reason. Don't let that imposter syndrome take over and hinder your skills, because you're skilled and that's why we hired you and you're different. You can learn anything if you really try, put effort into it. Just keep that in mind. Honestly, anyone can learn anything if they really want to learn it and if they really want to make the effort. Because just in a week or so, I was already coding in HTML, which to me was amazing. I know that's like the smallest step ever, but it was a small step to a bigger picture.